To start the bag change procedure, press the bag's icon to enter the bag change screen. Clamp the green dialysate line. Unload empty dialysate bag from the load cell. Disconnect dialysate bag from the dialysate line. Hang 1 or 2 new dialysate bags on the load cell. Ensure that the line comes up between the 2 bags. This positioning is required so that the line is covered by the leakage sensor in case of any leakage. Remove cap and connect the dialysate line to the dialysate bag. Break the frangible pin in the bag outlet. Open clamp on the dialysate line. Press bag change divided by weight reset button.